Hello students, good morning to all of you all. Assalamu alaikum, Aiboan and Wanakam. Welcome to our online science seminar session. So today we are going to give an introduction to the new grade 6 and new grade 7. So if your friends are not there, you can share the link password because this is an open class. Everyone can come and get an introduction to, especially this is for grade 6, new grade 6 and new grade 7. Okay, so this seminar is conducted by our Science Academy Colombo. So in Science Academy Colombo, we have maths and science. These are our main two special subjects. So we will discuss more about that in our today's seminar. Can you hear me clearly and see the screen clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, thank you for the information. Good. So we will start the session. So as usual, I want to give an introduction about science. Okay, because most of the students, now there may be new students, there may be my old students. Okay, just raise the hand. How many of you all have first time come to my classes? Just raise the hand, we'll see. Okay, many students, this is the first time they have come to our classes. So that's good because I want to give an introduction. The students who are already in my classes, they know the introduction. Why I like to give the introduction is because before starting the subject, you should know about the subject. So if I ask a question, what is science? Many will give many answers. Some will say studying about the human. Some will say studying about the animal. Some will say studying about the life. Some will say studying about the world. Some will say studying about the solar system. Some will say studying about the microorganism. Like that, many will say many reasons. Actually, science is a collection of many subjects. There are more than 100 branches of science. If you study about plant, okay, in science, if you study about plant, that is known as botany. Okay, type of science. If you study about animal, it is known as zoology science. If you study about the stars, if you study about the solar system, if you study about the planet, it is known as astronomy science. If you study about the insects, about their behavior, about their pattern, about their life, that is coming under entomology or insectology science. So that is a branch of science. If you study about the life, living things, we call it biology. Okay. Then when we study about the equipments, the fan, the laptop, the computer, the microphone, like that, the electrical equipments, it is coming under physics. So like that we have, okay, we have more than 100 branches of science. But can we study all the 100? No. Until our O level, there are 3 main branches. Can you tell me what are the 3 main branches of science that we have to study?
Physics, biology, chemistry.
Biology, chemistry.
Biology, chemistry.
Very good, very good. All of you all told the answer. Very good. We have 3 main parts. One is biology, the other one is chemistry, and the final one is physics. You have to, okay, you have to study the lessons properly. Until grade 9, they won't tell you whether it is biology or chemistry or physics. They won't tell you. They will just teach. After grade 10, in grade 10 and 11, they will divide the book into 3. Biology section, chemistry section, physics section. Okay, like that they are dividing. But the problem is in grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, the students can't differentiate what is biology, what is chemistry, what is physics. The teachers are thinking that you won't understand the difference. But I am telling, as a medical student, I have been there with the student for a long time. I know student psychology, but I am telling you, if we tell the students, today we are going to learn biology lesson, today we are going to learn chemistry lesson, today we are going to learn physics lesson, and then teach a subject, then the students will understand. Okay, students will understand. But our school teachers are thinking that students, you all are totta baba, like that only they are thinking. You can't understand anything. That's why they are making the subject hard. Sometimes the students hate science lesson. Poor science teacher, when they see the science teacher itself, they get upset because they hate the subject. I am telling you, Puta, the science is the world's most interesting subject. But why do many people, many students hate science? Because some of the school teachers are making science very boring, very hard. I will tell you the main reason. Because some teachers don't know the difference between reading and explaining. Reading can be done by everyone. Your mother also can do the reading, father also can do the reading, you also can do the reading. Everyone can read from the textbook. Some teachers are thinking when they read the textbook to the students, they will understand. No, they have to explain. So this explanation problem is the biggest problem in Sri Lanka. I have gone to many places, many schools for seminars. Everywhere I go, I get the same complaint from the students that the teacher is saying something, but the students can't understand it. Do you agree with me? Okay, the grade 6, I think you all don't know that much, but the grade 7 students already they were in grade 6, then they can understand. This is the problem. So in my classes, okay, in my classes, I will be giving more explanation. Okay, I will be giving the photos, and with that I will explain, because if I explain something to you clearly, you can write it on your own. You don't need to memorize everything. No, some students are there, they are memorizing everything. At last they are saying, oh, science is too hard, why have to memorize everything? No, only few things you have to memorize, other everything you can understand. So hereafter, okay, hereafter I will tell you, when studying science, understand and study. And also when a teacher is, okay, when a teacher is explaining, she should explain, not read. Okay, so if that two things are done properly, science will be the most lovable subject in the world. Okay, anyways, today we will select one topic. Okay, because today is the introduction. So your grade 7 and grade 6 both are starting with a biology lesson. So I will give an introduction about biology. We will go to the syllabus. What are the lessons we are going to do for the first term, second term, third term? We will see all that. And our website is there. If anyone wants to join our classes, how to join our classes, I will give that method. It is simple. And then from next week, we can go deep into the lesson and study it superbly with a good understanding. Okay, then are you ready to go into the science journey?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want all of you all to be active. Okay, don't sleep. Now, normally in my classes, you won't sleep because of the animations and all those things. I want you all to be very active. So first we'll go to biology. Everyone are talking about biology. Okay, if you do well in biology, what will your parents say? He can become a doctor. Ivar nalla doctor varuvaru. Meya honda doctor kenek vei. Like that they say, no? Okay, they say about biology. So why do they say like that for biology? What is the meaning of biology? Anyone knows the meaning of biology?
It's about studying about
When we are studying the biology, we can become a doctor.
Okay.
It's about humans. It's about the human processes and for the functions. The
About
yeah,
studying about a human.
organism.
Thank you for the answers. Many students have given many answers. Some are studying about the human, studying about the animals, studying about the life. A lot of answers are there. Okay, then word by word we will see. Bio means life, logy means study. So whenever you study about life or life related things, it can be animals, it can be plants, anything with the life. If you study, that is coming under biology. So under the life, which organism's life should we study most? The human, because we are humans, and human is the most intelligent. Human is the most advanced animal of the full animal kingdom. So we give more importance to the animal. That's why they say when you study biology, you will study about life, you will study about human life. To study about the human life, you have to study about the human body. So if you study about the human body, automatically you become a doctor about the human body, the diseases, the medicine. When you study, then only you're a doctor. Okay, so don't think that some students, they think, oh, we can't become doctors, our family is poor family, we don't have that idea, we are weak. Don't think like that. I have seen very poor students, they have studied very well and now they are going to university and they are doctors. Okay, many doctors, if you go and ask them their history, they will tell, we did not have food to eat in our house, we did not have books to study, but I studied very well, because of that today I am a doctor. Like that, many doctors, they say like that. Okay, so there is no barrier, anyone can become a doctor if you study well and study properly. So tell me, how many of y'all, you have an ambition, you like to become a doctor? Please raise the hand, we'll see how many of y'all like to become doctors. There is a raise hand option in Zoom. You can use that. Oh my God, more than 100 doctors. Very good. Very good. I pray that all of y'all, okay, I pray that all of y'all one day should become a doctor. Okay, so your doctor dream, okay, if you want to become a doctor, not only doctor, you can become a herbal medicine, you can become a Western doctor, you can, if you like animals, you can become an animal doctor, if you like the fish and the sea, you can become marine biologist, you can become scientist, you can become astronaut. Lot of things are there if you study science properly. Even pilot, they need science because physics is needed by the pilot. If you want to become an engineer, then also you need science because chemistry and physics, chemical engineering, biological engineering, physical, electronical engineering, lot of things are there coming under science. Okay, so anything if you want, okay, in the science, medicine, in the engineering, medicine, those kind of fields, now you have to start. Slowly you have to start your journey. Okay, grade 6, grade 7, then in grade 8 and 9 you will learn some more things, and in 10 and 11 you will learn the very like advanced things, and after doing the O level you can do biology, you can do chemistry, you can do physics for A level, and if you get good results you can go to Colombo University, Peradeniya University, Kalani University, Jayawardhanapura University. Superb universities are there in Sri Lanka. You can go, plus you can enjoy your life and you can learn a lot of things, and you can become a doctor and you can serve the community. Okay, you can help a lot of people. Okay, so because I'm in that field, that's why I'm encouraging you in that field, because you can do a lot of things and you can change the life of many people, and you will get so much blessings. Okay, you will get so much blessings and you will get so much reward, because if you do medicine and cure someone's disease, help someone to recover, then God will give you more rewards, and also you will get the blessings of the people. Okay, so when we have to study about living things, we have to study from the basics. So you all know the smallest living that component is known as the cell. Cells join together to form tissue. Many tissues join together to form organ. Many organs join together to form organ system. And if all the organ systems are there, one individual, one human being. Okay, these ones I think you all have studied in the small grades. Grade 6 students, you all have not studied. Don't worry. I will explain one by one. Okay, in one day itself we can't learn everything. No, one day we'll learn about cells, next day about tissues, then about organs. Superb. Okay, we have a lot of nice new things to learn. Okay, then we know that biology is studying about life. No, then think, what is life? Okay, everyone are talking about life. What is this life? Many will have many ideas. Some are saying life is like a game. You have to keep on playing until you die. Some are saying life is like a race. You have to keep on running until the end. Some are saying life is like a song. You have to keep on singing until the end. Some are saying life is the starting point to the ending point. Like that, many definitions are there. I'll give you 1 minute. Think and see, what is life? All of you all have life, no? What is this life? From where did you get life? You have seen people dying, no? You have seen dead people. What happened to that dead people? Why they are not walking? Why they are not talking? Why they are not doing anything? What happened to them? Just think and see 1 minute. Okay, Hari. So yes, very good. Okay, some students have given the proper answer. Okay, proper answer means actually there is no answer for the question, what is life? Scientists also don't know what is life. Okay, because some students are saying life is the heart. But for a dead body, if a person is dead, when you cut the dead body and see, heart is there. Some are saying the brain is the life. But when you cut a dead body and see, the brain is there. Then life is something which is making the heart and the brain and the lungs and the livers to work. So it's like an energy. Someone is asking, sir, then what is this cutting the dead body? Yeah, Puta. When we go to medical college, they will give us dead bodies, real dead bodies. Okay, we have to cut the dead body and see the organs. To study, we do that. Okay, when you come to grade 9 and 10, okay, I will show you the dead bodies and how we are cutting. For you all, I won't show that much, only little, because you all are small children, some will get scared also. But grade 10, when you come to grade 10 and 11, I will show the real human dead body, how to cut that, how to take the organs, all that things are there. Okay, so that's why. Okay, life is not heart, life is not the brain, life is not the lungs, life is not the liver. Life is the energy which is making all these organs to work. So how did we get that energy? Who gave that energy? When we die, what happens to that energy? No one knows it. Only religion can, okay, only religion can give an explanation of life. Okay, okay, some students are saying, sir, please show us some photos of these body organs and that and this. Okay, at the end I will show. I have a special video for you all about the brain. Okay, I will show about the brain. Then how can we differentiate living and non-living things? So life is there only for living things. All the others are non-living things. Okay, for example, now see this person. Okay, I think you all have seen this picture before, no? The grade 6, they know. The grade 7, new grade 7, they know. In grade 6, I have shown this photo. There is a person. He is talking, he is walking, he is sleeping, he is working. Like that he is doing. On his wall, there is a clock that is also working. If someone removes the battery of the clock, what will happen?
The clock will stop working.
The clock will stop.
Will stop the time.
Yeah, the time will stop. The clock will stop working. Okay. Sorry. So then you know why did the 1 minute. Okay. You know why did the clock stop working? Because someone removed the battery. We know someone removed the battery, because of that the clock stopped. Now think about the human. He was also working in the computer. He was running there, here, he was sleeping. And suddenly one day they are saying he's dead. His hands are there, but hands are not moving. His legs are there, but the legs are not moving. His eyes are there, but he can't see. His mouth is there, but he can't talk. What happened to him? Now, if you ask the same question for the clock, the hand is there, why it's not moving? You can say, someone removed the battery, because of that, it's not moving. Then for the human, what happened? Did someone remove his battery? Like that, when you think, you will understand life is like a battery. But the normal battery we can see. But the life battery, can we see? No, we can't see that. Can you understand what I'm trying to say? We can't see the life battery. Only the religion can explain what is life. Are we getting the life from God? How it is going back to the God? Like that, only religion can give the answer. Can you understand? So that's why in our Sri Lankan syllabus, you have to study religion compulsory. Okay, so Buddhist students, they are studying Buddhism. Tamil students, they are studying Saivaism, no? Tamil, that is Hinduism, Saivaism. The Christian students are studying Christianity. The Muslim students are studying the Islam. Why are they studying religion? Because only in religion there is the answer for the question, what is life? Okay, but there are some countries where religion is not taught. Okay, so they don't know anything. Okay, they don't know anything. They don't know about religion. They don't know anything. They are doing whatever they want. Because of that, day by day, problems are occurring. Can you understand? So this is only the reality of science. Okay, it is the reality of science. Okay, then we'll move to the next part. So because of those, we can understand that some of the things in the world, they have life. Those things are called as living things. The other things which do not have the life, it is known as non-living things. If I tell you to name the living things, non-living things, yeah, then you can answer, no? Are living things human, plants, rats, cats, monkey, donkey, coconut tree, mango tree, like that you will tell a lot of things. Non-living things, pen, pencil, paper, umbrella, vehicle, car, cap, tap, all those things you will say. But if I ask what are the characters between the living things and the non-living things, you can give few characters. Okay, really there are around 30 or 40 characters. In our full syllabus we have to study, yeah, one student have given the good answer, growth, respiration. Okay, we will study one by one. In our full syllabus we have around 10. When you go to grade 10 and 11, you have to study 10 features. But now for grade 6 and 7, we have to study 5 features. Okay, what are those 5 features? The 5 features which can differentiate living things and non-living things. Then can you write down one question? This is the question. How can we differentiate living and non-living things? Write this question down one by one. I will give the answer. Write this question. Okay, the answers for this question are, first one, growth. The animals are growing, the plants are growing. Next one, nutrition. The next one, movement, respiration, and reproduction. Write these 5. There are some more other 5. We will study that in grade 10 and 11. Okay, even for today, grade 8 and 9, I was teaching them this because this is the basic. If they don't know this, they can't study other things. Okay, so you should know the basics. So grade 6 and 7, you are learning the very basics. Then in 8 and 9, you are learning little bit higher. And then finally in 10 and 11, you are learning the maximum. Can you understand? So please write down these 5. Okay, some students are sending the answer also. Good. So one by one, we will see. One by one, we will see. Growth. If I ask you what is growth, you will tell, like this Baba is growing big, small baby, then growing, and finally he will become an adult. But can you write like that in the syllabus? In the exam, can you write the answer? Growth means growing and becoming big. You can't write like that. So the proper definition for growth, a simple definition is, it is the increase in size, height, or amount. Okay, that is known as the growth. So please write down, put a topic growth and write this down. Okay, so you have to be active. When I say something, you have to do that. Then only science lesson online you can learn. Okay, don't be lazy. Science is easy. Okay, please write it down. Then we'll move to the second one. We were talking about the human growth, no? Then what about plants? Yeah, not only animals, plants are also growing. Okay, plants are also growing. Little by little, the plants are growing continuously. Every day, the mango tree is growing, coconut tree is growing, everything is growing. Okay, so that is one character. Okay, now this notes, no problem. I will be sending in our website also. We will update. You can download from the website. I will teach you about the website. Don't worry. Okay, so day by day, living things are growing. So one important character of living things is growth. Without growth, no living things. The second one is nutrition. Now see this picture. Nicely eating. No, the bun, the donut, the chicken pieces, crispy chicken, French fries. We are all eating. So nutrition, you know, eating. Can we say, if they ask what is the meaning of nutrition in the exam, you can you draw this ching chang? No. Can you say eating like that? You can't say, no. So what is the definition? Satisfying the food requirement of an organism is known as nutrition. Write the topic nutrition and write the definition. Satisfying the food requirements of organism is called as the nutrition. So daily we are eating the food to satisfy our nutritional need. Okay, to satisfy our nutritional need. So when to fulfill that nutritional need, you are eating food, but the food which you eat should be in proper proportions. Okay, later you will study in grade 7. There are 5 things which should be available in the food. I will tell the 5 things. You might know it. Carbohydrate, protein, lipids, minerals, and vitamins. Water, fiber, that also needed, but these are the 5 main things. If you have a food which has all the 5 things in the proper method, what is that food known as? Having all the nutrients in the proper method.
Balanced diet.
Very good. Okay, it is known as the balanced diet. Okay, it is known as the balanced diet. Little bit of rice is there, the vegetables are there, the curry is there, butter is there, vegetables are there, fish is there. Okay, all that together we call it balanced diet. So under nutrition we have to study about balanced diet. We have to study about the animals, how they are eating, the human. Okay, the animals are eating for their energy, for their food needs. The human also eating. What about the plants? Do the plants eat food? Okay, in your home garden, do the plants eat the food?
No. It produces its own food.
Okay, it's not eating food. Then how can it get its nutritions? Is there any process? You all know.
It gets the nutrition from sun.
Some students gave the correct answer. By doing photosynthesis, they produce their own food. So under nutrition, we have to study about photosynthesis also. Sunlight energy is coming, carbon dioxide is going, water is coming, and inside the leaf, many processes are happening, and the fruits, glucose, all those are produced. Okay, all these are superb. Photosynthesis is a superb lesson. Even in grade 11, the grade 11 first lesson is really a second lesson. Grade 11 O-level second lesson topic is photosynthesis. Even in grade 8 you're studying. Even in grade 6 you're studying little bit of photosynthesis. In grade 8 you're studying little bit more. And finally in grade 11 you're studying the maximum. So that's why I'm telling you, your grade 6, grade 7 is the stepping stone for your O-level. If you do those things, those 2 grades properly, you have a basic idea about science. Then in grade 8 and 9, you can get more knowledge. And finally, you can get the final maximum knowledge in grade 10 and 11. So that only, it's your challenge. Okay, science is not like any other subjects. Science, you have to study properly. But it is very interesting. If you study it properly, it is very interesting. Don't make it boring. Don't allow others also to make the science lesson boring, because science is the most interesting subject in the whole world. Okay, next one is movement. Okay, movement is a common feature of living organism. Everything in the world, they are showing movement. Apart from movement, some animals can move from one place to another, from one place to another place. When something moves from one place to another place, it is known as locomotion. It is known as locomotion. Okay, new word. Moving from one place to another place is locomotion. So they can ask that question. So you can see this hand. Tell me, is this locomotion or movement? This hand.
Movement. Movement.
Okay, okay. This movement. What about this one? This man? Okay, very good. This is only locomotion. When you move one part of your hand, you're showing tata, bye, bye. Then you're doing movement. You're folding the hand. That is a movement. But from one place to another place, you're moving. Then it is known as locomotion. So the first photo is movement. Second photo is locomotion. Then when you look at the other animals, there is many methods of locomotion. Okay, everyone can't walk, no? Only humans and some animals, they can walk. But what are the other animals doing? Okay, some animals for locomotion, they have legs. We call it limbs. From the legs or limbs, they can walk or they can hop. If I ask you what are the animals which are walking, you can give me a lot of answers. Can you give me some animals which are hopping and going always?
Rabbit.
Very good. The rabbit, the frog, the kangaroos. Very good. So I will show some examples. So the lion or the tiger, this is actually a lion. Some students are thinking this is tiger. No, no. This is the female lion. Okay, female lion. Male lion only have that big like a hair. Okay, this is a female lion, not a tiger. Some students, they think this is tiger. Tiger will be orange color and black color. Lines or dots will be there. Okay, this is a lion. So this is a kangaroo. Can you see how the kangaroo is hopping and going? It can't walk. It can hop. Then this is a tortoise. So tortoise is also walking. It's going. So can you see? So from these pictures, clearly you can get an idea. Okay, so that's why now before and all, we did not have online class, no. Okay, even I was doing physical classes. In physical classes, can I bring a lion and a kangaroo and show? No, no. But the advantage of online class is anything I want, I can show from the pictures or some of the videos or in the animation. So that's why in my last year O-level batch, my online students have got very good results than the physical class students. Okay, so from that I was able to understand that if you study science online properly, you can get better results, better marks than even the physical class students. Okay, because some parents are thinking online the students are not studying. Maybe your student is not studying, maybe your son or your daughter is not studying, but all the other children, majority of the children are studying very well in online. Okay, for me, online students are coming, from Jaffna students are coming, from Gaul students are coming, from Matara, from Hambantota, from Kandy, Mavanalla, everywhere it is coming. And you know, my last year batch, there were some students even from Malaysia and Japan. So can you understand, from this online, wherever you are, you can study without missing the classes. So that is the advantage. Okay, that is the advantage. So if you use this online opportunity properly, you can get the best result. But if you don't use it properly, then no use, waste of money. Okay, then birds and some insects, they can't walk, they can't hop. So what are they doing? How is their locomotion, their movement? They have the wings, therefore they are flying. They have the wings, therefore they are flying. Most of the birds and some of the insects, they are flying. Then the next one, the fish. Can the fish fly? Can the fish walk? Can the fish hop? No, it has fins and tails. It can swim. So their movement or their locomotion is swimming method. Swimming method. The next one, unicellular organism. Can you tell me, especially the grade 7s will be able to answer, What is this unicellular organism?
Amoeba.
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 The meaning of
Amoeba.
unicellular. What is the meaning of unicellular organism? Meaning of unicellular. Anyone knows the answer? We'll see.
One cell.
Very good. One cell. One cell.
One cell.
Cell.
Very good. Organisms which are made up of only one cell, they are known as the unicellular organism. One example for unicellular organism is amoeba. Okay, amoeba. The pronunciation is amoeba. Okay, I will show the picture of the amoeba. Can you see this? Okay, see how the amoeba is moving here and there, here and there. It's moving. So in grade 7, you will study, it has special legs. The name of the leg is pseudopodia. Mara name, no? Pseudopodia. That is the name of the legs. For human, we call legs, no? Our legs are legs. For the birds, they have the wings. For the fish, they have the fin and the tail. But amoeba, what do they have? Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Okay. I will send these notes. Don't worry. If you want to write the spellings and all, don't worry. I will send the notes. You can nicely see and write it. I will send a PDF. Once the students are registered to our class, from February, we are sending printed notes. It's not a virus. This is not a virus. Okay. This is a unicellular organism. I will talk about virus also later. Then we know about the living things. Okay. The categories or the characteristics. We have studied, no? Nutrition, respiration, reproduction, growth, movement, locomotion. If all those things are there, they are considered as living. So there are main 3 categories of living things in the world. What are the 3 main categories of living things?
Plants, animals, and microorganisms. Microorganisms.
Very good. Animals, plants, and microorganisms. Those are the 3 main living things in the world. Okay. Then where is human? I have missed human. Is it so? Or human is coming under?
Animals.
Also animals. Okay. We are also animals. Human is coming under animal. Okay. Cat is also animal. Rat is also animal. Elephant is also animal. Like that, human, we are also animal. But we are the most intelligent animal. That is a different thing. But we are also animals. Okay. Microorganism. Okay. Does anyone know the meaning of microorganism? Very good. Very good. Very good. The organisms which cannot be seen by our naked eye. That means in our fingers, in our laptop, in our phone, in our pen, in all those things, small, tiny animals are there, organisms are there. We can't see them. But by using one equipment, we can see them. What is that equipment? To see microorganisms. Okay, not telescope, microscope. Okay, by using the microscope, we will be able to see the microorganism, the tiny organisms we are able to see. But from our normal eyes, when you look, we can't see anything. But if we keep the microscope and see, hundreds and hundreds of microorganisms will be there on your pen, on your laptop, on your hands, on your finger, on your nose. Everywhere microorganisms are there. Okay, so in grade 8 and 9, we will study deeply, very deeply about microorganism. What is the structure of microorganism? How many types are there? There are 5 types. Bacteria, virus, like that, 5 types of microorganisms are there. What are the uses? What are the advantage? What are the disadvantage? All that in grade 8 and 9 we will study. In grade 6 and 7, we will study mainly about plants and animal. So first, when you look at plants, you have seen a lot of plants. Okay, you have seen a lot of plants. You all know, everyone in their home, they have a small garden. They have a plant. Whatever you know, no? But when you look at the plants, they are showing diversity. What is this word diversity? Differences. Okay, just because it is plants, does all the plants have same leaf? No. One plant leaf is different, another plant leaf is different. Mango tree, how is the leaf? Coconut tree, how is the leaf? Can you say both are same? No, no. Then there is a morphological difference in the roots, in the stem, in the leaf, in the flower, in the seed, and in the fruit. In everything it is different. Apple fruit is different from mango fruit. Mango fruit is different from strawberry fruit. Apple seed is different from mango seed. Mango seed is different from strawberry seed. Apple flower is different from mango flower. Mango flower is different from strawberry flower. Apple leaf is different from mango leaf. Mango leaf is different from strawberry leaf. Mango stem is different from apple stem. Apple stem is different from strawberry stem. So like that, stem difference is there. Root difference is there. Leaf difference is there. Flower difference is there. Seed difference is there. Fruit difference is there. Almost in everything there is differences. So from next week, one by one, we will study. Then diversity of plant based on the living environment. We call it habitat. Now I am living in Colombo. You are living somewhere else. So my habitat is Colombo, Dehiwala. Your habitat may be Mavanalla. Another student's habitat may be Panadura. Another student's habitat may be Jaffna. Different habitats. Like that, plants we can divide as terrestrial, the plants which are growing in the land. Then inside the water, there are some plants. We call them aquatic plant. There are some plants, their roots are in the water, but the body is above the water. So like that, we can call mangrove type of plant. Okay, different ones are there. Okay, so like that, I will explain one by one. Today, I am just explaining overall because today is a introduction. Then based on the nature, there can be tall plants, we call it trees. Short plants, we call it shrubs. There are some plants which are going along the ground. Okay, then we call it the creepers. Yeah, any student, 1 minute. I will put all the hands down. Anyone from foreign country? Raise the hand. Yeah, no, okay. Shahad, from which country are you? Nabila, from which country?
London.
Sorry?
London.
Ah, from London. Okay.
Yeah.
Then Ismail?
Jeddah.
Ah, from Jeddah. Good. Zuhri?
From Riyadh.
From Riyadh. Okay, good. Shahad, can you unmute and tell which country?
Kuwait.
From Kuwait. Hanfa?
Dubai.
Okay, okay, really happy. Good. So can you understand the importance of online class? Okay, good. So you can see the differences, okay, diversity among plants. Like that. Now, these some pictures I have given, all this I will explain. Okay, don't think, so what is taproot? What is fibrous root? What is prop root? Don't get upset. I will explain all those things clearly from the next week classes. Okay, so there are differences in the roots. And when you take the plant stem, some are thick, some are thin, some have branches, some don't have branches, some are having different shape of branches. All that differences are there. That is known as stem diversity. And then leaf diversity. You all know this, no? Different plants have different leaves. So that is the plant leaf diversity. So like that, you can find many differences and many similarities among the plants. We will study that in our future classes. Then like that, we have animals. That is the second living category. First is the plant. Second one is animal. Under animal, we have to study superb. We have to study a lot. We have to study about starfish. We have to study about monkey. We have to study about, now it is having many categories. You all don't know. There are many categories. Mara funny names are there. Coelenterata, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Fiscies, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Like that, 10 names are there. We will study all that in our future classes. And diversity among animals can be given by the habitat. Okay, we can divide. No, now habitat, now you all know what is habitat. When I asked the habitat only, I got to know that many students are from many other countries, so that is their habitat. Like that, when you look at animals, some are terrestrial, living on the land, some are aquatic, living in the water, especially the fish, and some are living in the air, birds. Okay, eagles and all, always they live in the air. Some are there, they live in the air, at night they come to the trees. Okay, so like that, different habitat is there. Then see the food type. You all know this, depending on the food type. Some animals are there, they eat only plants. What is the special name given to those kind of animals?
Herbivores.
Very good. Herbivores. So you all know, no? Herbivores. The ones which eat only the flesh, it is known as carnivores. And the ones which can eat flesh and the plants, those are the omnivores. So you can divide like that, or else you can divide according to their shape, the color, like that. Appendages means legs. Okay, you can see 4-legged animals: elephant, cow, goat, donkey, like that you can see. 6-legged animals: insects, butterfly, like that you can give some names. 8-legged animals, you can give spider. Okay, like that, with their number of legs, their shape, their, whether it is color, different colors. Black color animal, if they ask, you can say elephant. And bat, like that you can categorize according to those. So like that, some are walking, some are swimming, some are flying, some are creeping, according to their mode of locomotion. I showed the photos also for that. So like that, one by one, these all are topics. One by one, we will study in a superb way in our future classes. So when you look at microorganism, okay, 1 minute. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will be back. Okay, students, we will continue. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah. Okay, so the microorganism, that is the third category. Okay, third category. Can you hear me clearly and see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
We can hear and clearly see the screen. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the third category is microorganism. First we studied the plant, then animal, and finally we are coming to microorganism. The microorganism are the things which we cannot see from our naked eye. So you all know those things. We will study about those also in future. So we studied only about biology. Now itself it is so much interesting. Some students asking, sir, I want to become doctor, what to do? Like lot of questions they're asking in the chat box. So for this itself like that, we have to study about physics, about chemistry, superb, about the chemicals, acids, the base, how they are working, and under physics, about electricity, electronics. Inside the computer, you have motherboard, you have chips. Inside the phones, you have the chips, you have the circuits. A lot of things are there. Resistors. We will be studying about all those things. Okay, so I think from this, you have a clear idea about the biology part, the chemistry part, and physics. Chemistry, physics, we didn't do anything. We just only gave the name. In our future classes, we will study about that. But now I think you have an idea about science. Science is not hard. Science is very interesting if you do it in the proper way. Okay, if you do it in the proper way, it is very, very easy. Yeah, so so these are the basic things. But if you want to study deeply, you can join our online classes and then you can learn more and more things in an interesting way. So for the grade 6, science will be conducted by Miss Shuhaina, and for grade 7, I will be conducting it. Okay, so don't worry, both of us are from the Colombo University. We are both are Unani doctors. Okay, we are studying for the Unani doctors. Grade 8 and 9, I will be conducting. We had the seminar in the morning for grade 8 and 9 students. I have given them the timetable, everything. If you are not able to join, no problem. I will send the recording. Please send me a message. If there is any grade 8, 9 students, please raise the hand. If there is any grade 8 and 9 students. Yeah, three students are there. Okay, morning we had your seminar, grade 8, 9 seminar. Okay, so don't worry. I will send the recording. This is mainly for the grade 6 and 7. So we wanted to give an introduction about ourselves, because nowadays there are many teachers who are teaching online, who are follows teaching. They are actually not teachers. So that's why the parents ask which university you are there. So I am me and Miss Shuhaina. We are from Colombo University, Unani Medical Faculty. So we are Unani doctors. So you know the knowledge. So yeah, and the reason why we selected the science teaching and the science this one, because both of us, we have a passion to teach the students. Okay, mainly our profession is doctor, but we have a passion, we like to teach the students, because both of us, we studied science in a very interesting way. We like to give this to the next generation also. Okay, so this is just a picture, don't get scared. Okay, actually this is a dead body. So when you cut the dead body and check the organs, okay, you can see the organs. I have seen all the organs. I have cut each and every part. The brain we have cut. I have cut the brain into small pieces, and we have checked everything. The lungs, the liver, lot of things we have done. So for us, science is very easy. Okay, so some other teachers are there. They learn from the book and they teach you. So it is very hard for you to understand. But we are learning it practically every day in our campus. We are seeing diseased people, we are seeing patients, we are doing the dead body things, we are doing a lot of experiment. Okay, even animals, we are cutting the animals and seeing the organs of the animals. So science is a day-to-day activity for us. So teaching science, it's very interesting for us. And for the students who are learning from us, for them also it is interesting. Okay, so we do some treatments like hijama treatment, that and this. Okay, so because of that, science is a part of our life. Okay, so that's why even the students who come to our class from the past 7 years, the students give a superb comment. They say that when they come to our classes, they like to learn science. They love to learn the science. So therefore, I think the main reason that they love to learn science is because we are teaching naturally the lesson. Okay, naturally we are teaching the subject, so that is an advantage of coming to our classes. So if you like our methods, you can join our classes. Yeah, so from these dead bodies, we have taken the brain, we have taken lungs and all those things. So I'm just asking you, have any of you all seen a real brain directly?
No, sir.
Cow.
Cow's brain. Okay, some have seen the cow's brain when they go to the butcher shop, okay, meat shop. Separately they have kept the brain, or the chicken brain. Okay, they have seen those one. But human brain, actually I have seen really. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, so I was able to only get the photo. I can't bring the real brain here because it is there in our campus. Okay, so this is the picture, and if you like, I will show you one small video. Don't get scared. Okay, everything is under science. Okay, you can't be scared if you are a science student. There are many videos. I will just show only one for the grade 8 and 9 also. I have shown. So this is recently our grade 10 students had a seminar, grade 11 students. In that they wanted to see the real brain. Then I took a animal. From that animal, I cut that animal and took the brain. And this is real brain, fresh brain. Okay, fresh brain from an animal I have cut and taken. So can you see? This is how our brain looks. Very, very similar to a human brain. So now I will cut the middle part and show. So can you see? The inside there are white color parts, gray color parts, holes are there. All that you will study in grade 10 and 11. What is this white part? What is this holes? Okay, nice things are there. You have to study all those things in future. What are the functions of each part? All are there. All that you have to study. So only this I will show today. We have more. The lungs, the livers, the heart, I am blowing the lungs and showing all those things are there in our future classes. Today itself I can't show everything, no. So therefore I will show only one, so you can in future classes you can see all those things. So why I am giving all those things is to make you interested with this science subject. Okay, with this science subject. So from all these things, what do you think about science? Now, do you like the science lesson? Do you have idea? I have to study science. I have to do something.
I like it, sir. I like the subject, like science.
I am
Very good.
Interested, sir. So, but not
Really happy. Okay, I'm really happy that from my words, some students have got a clear idea about science and they like to study more about science. Someone has put, sir, I want to become a doctor, but I am afraid to see the body parts. Okay, yeah, okay, don't get upset. Even my wife, when she was coming to the campus first few days, when she sees the blood, when she sees the organ, she will get vomiting, she will get fainting. But now we are dealing with lot of patients day by day, lot of dead bodies day by day. After that, no fear, we are not scared. It is like toys for us. Okay, like the small children are playing toys only, for us playing with the human organs. Okay, so every fear, if you any fear, if you do that properly, you won't get that fear hereafter. Okay, so any scientist, any astronomist, if you want to become anything in the science field, you have to study science properly. Not only doctor, many other things are there. Okay, so some of the students were asking, sir, can you give a small introduction about our classes and all the past achievements? So I just wanted to say that I studied at a international school until my O-levels. My O-level badge is 2010 badge. So at Hijaz International School, Mount Lavinia. I think any students from Hijaz here? There may be some students, okay. And I did my A-level at DSA Nanaka College, Colombo. So, and then in 2014, I joined the Colombo University. I got selected for the Colombo University to study Unani medicine. So you know Unani medicine, I think it's like similar to Ayurveda medicine, herbal medicine. Okay, in Sri Lanka we have 3 herbal medicine: Ayurveda medicine, Unani medicine, Siddha medicine. So for this we have separate universities. So I am in the Unani medical faculty, which is in Rajakiriya. And I have a diploma in herbal medicine manufacturing, psychology and counseling. And I started our science academy in 2015, and until 2022 now our science academy is successfully going. Before, I used to be a visiting lecturer at FAT Academy Colombo, Grand Pass 1 Institute, Dehiwala Aspire Institute, Maradana and Kolonava Institute. 4 or 5 places we were teaching physical classes. Okay, now all the physical classes have been stopped, and I am doing only online class, because for me online is easy and I can teach the students very clearly with the pictures and the videos through online. And also most of the students from outstation, okay, they can't come to Colombo to study. So for all those things I have given online classes, because nowadays I want to go abroad, I want to go to many places. If I have the physical classes, it is very hard for me to go abroad and all. But online classes, even if I go to abroad country, I will be doing the online classes. So if I go to India or something, from there I will do the classes and I will show you a little bit of India also. Okay, so don't worry, we can do online, we can study that very clearly and properly. So now I am not teaching it in any institute this year, all holiday for institute, and we are doing only online. And also you might have seen me in your schools. I come for seminar in Science Academy Dehiwala we do seminar, Aspire Institute Dehiwala we do seminar, FAT Academy Dehiwala, Zahira College Mavanella. Anyone from Zahira Mavanella? Yeah, many students I think from Zahira Mavanella College. Zahira College Mavanella, sorry. Okay, so there also I come for, mainly I don't come for small grades, I come for the main big grades, grade 10, 11 seminars. And Science Center in Nayavela, and Gilan Central College Panadura, Alexa International School Colombo, and Wisdom College Panadura. I have been doing seminars there. Okay, now we are not going to any schools because of this corona situation. I am doing all those things online. So don't worry, you have a very qualified teachers in our group. Miss Shuhaina is also like that. Arman Shah, he will come to you for maths for the further grades. Okay, he is also from Jayavardhanapura University. So we have a good set of panel. So if you are ready to study, you can join our online classes and you can study well. So to join our online classes, you can visit our website www.scienceacademycolombo.com. This is our website. In our website only, all the class related things, how to buy the classes, how to register to classes, all those things are there. If you don't know how to access those things, you can send me a WhatsApp message, not 77828366. This is my number. Please write it down and keep. If any further doubts, you can send me a WhatsApp message. When I am free, I will see and I will reply to it. Okay, then some students wanted to join our Science Academy Colombo. Freely you can register. Okay, if you want, today itself you can register. When you go to this scienceacademy.com, scienceacademycolombo.com, you will get this kind of a screen. If you click register, okay, go there, and the grade 6, if the parents are there, please listen to this. Some students will do this, or sometimes the parents will have to help them. Okay, go and click register. Okay, when you click register, you will get all these form to fill. Okay, your name, your father's name, date of birth, gender, district, grade. Now the grade, new grade, which grade you are going to go to, grade 6 or grade 7. Mobile number, mother's or father's phone number, email address, password, and your normal address. So this email address, your address or your parents' email address. Okay. Okay, your email address or your parents' email address. Once you do this registration, you will get 2 messages. One message you will get to your phone, SMS, and the other one you will get to your email. Okay, write down both the numbers. In both you will get 2 numbers, SMS verification code and email verification code. Okay, now go to our website and go to login. First you registered, after that you go to login. In that login, they will ask you 4 details. The email address which you typed earlier, the password. You have to put a password. Don't tell that password to anyone. Initially, they will ask you for password. Here, the password is there. You have to enter one password. So when you enter the password, then they will ask the SMS verification code. To your phone, one message will come. No, write that number. And for your email, one message will come. Sometimes that email message will be there in the inbox. You know to check the email, no? In inbox, it will be there, or else in the spam message, it will be there. In the spam message, SPAM. Below inbox, there is spam. If you check that, you will get the email verification. So after you put everything, you are a registered student of our Science Academy Colombo. After that, you can do the payments. Okay, now I will go to our website and I will show you. Okay, I will give a small idea how to do the payment. Okay, this is our website. 1 minute. Okay, so once you log in, okay, once you log in, now if I go to login, already I have put my email address, password, verification code. Only once they will ask. After that, they won't ask it. Then I can go and log in. So once I log in, now I have a profile. I have put a photo and kept. You all also, if you like, you can put a profile photo, or else you can just wait, no problem. Others can't see, only you can see. My name, my index number, my email address, my phone number, everything is there. What are the classes I have paid for? All that can be seen. If there is any announcement, all that will be there. So if you want to buy, first register and log in. After that, if you want to buy a class, okay, here there is classes. When you click the classes, you can see grade 6 classes, grade 7 classes, grade 8 classes, grade 9 classes, grade 10 classes, like that, all are there. If you want to buy grade 6, go to grade 6 science, press OK. And they will show all the lessons. Second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. Then below anything you can add to cart. When you click this add to cart, the selected classes all 1 month, okay, 1 month class will go to the cart. Now on top, can you see home, classes, cart? Go and click the cart. Okay, on the cart, it will show you what are the classes you have selected. Okay, this is 1 full month, 500 rupee. So total is 500 for science. Then here there are payment method. Can you see? Select payment method. If your parents want to pay from their credit card or debit card, they can go for this, and then they will ask Visa card and some of the card details. When you give that, automatically you will get registered. That is one method. Then some students don't have no credit card. How can they do? They can select bank deposit. Then I have given 3 banks: Commercial Bank, People Bank, Amana Bank, and Easy Cash. You can go to any bank and you can deposit the money. Take a picture of the receipt. You have to get the receipt. Without receipt, not accepted. You take the picture of the receipt, and through the phone, now here below there is choose file. You can choose file. If it is in the phone, from the phone you can send the photo. If it is there in the laptop, from the laptop you can choose the photo and you can place the order. So the institute will verify and then they will select it. Okay, so if you do like that, you can join the classes. Yes, the ones who want some more explanation, don't worry, I will give the explanation. Then once you buy, when you go to your profile, you can see the upcoming classes. Okay, grade 11. Now this, I have bought grade 11 class. Grade 11 paper class is there. If you click below that, you can view the lesson. If there is any tutes related to that, the tute will be there. If there is any messages related to that, it will be there. Then before the class, 15 minutes before the class, the link will be available. If you click this place, you will be able to join the class. You will be able to join the class. So joining the class is through the website. Before only we used to send the link through WhatsApp, but everyone are sharing that and it is getting misused. Therefore, we will be hereafter doing everything through the website because it is easy. You can see now, if you go to the profile, you can see your exam marks. From January, whatever exams we have, all the marks will be there in the exam marks. What are the previous classes you have completed? What are the upcoming classes? And what are the fees payment? Then your parents also, they know, we have paid, we have not paid. Like that, they can have a clear idea Because of that only we have introduced this website method. Okay, so don't worry, it's not hard. Once if you do it properly, then you will be able to do that. If you have any doubts of registering, okay, I will give my number at last. You can contact that and we can clarify this. Okay, then we'll go to our last part. Okay, so today's last part is related to the syllabus. Grade 6 syllabus, maths and science. We have science and maths. Both will be covered by Mrs. Shuhaina Riyabdin. Okay, she will be doing the grade 6 maths and grade 6 science. So on Saturday, 8:30 to 9:30, science will be held. 10 to 11, maths will be held. For science, it is 500. For maths, it is 500. If you are paying for both, it is just 1,000 rupees. So 1,000 rupees, science 4 classes, maths 4 classes, totally 8 classes. So it is, I think, very cheap rate, a reasonable rate for a Colombo Institute. We have given so that the parents will be able to manage all those things. Okay, so I will be calling Miss Shuhaina to give a small explanation about the syllabus, and from next week she will be conducting our science classes. Okay, now Miss will be doing the classes. So grade 7s, don't leave. After this, I will be explaining the grade 7 syllabus.
Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Am I audible? Students, am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine.
Yes, madam.
Teacher. Okay, as I explained, I am Shuhaina Riyabdin. I am only going to take the science and maths session for you all. Okay, in between, sir will be looking after everything. First of all, we'll see the syllabus, right? How many chapters are there in science? Anyone got your book? Fine. If we see overall, there are 11 chapters in science. Mainly these 11 chapters are being divided into 3 terms. For the first term, we will be having the first 4 lessons. For the second term, we will be having the rest of the 4 sessions, and the last 3 sessions will be completed in the third term lesson. After each and every term, we will be having an exam to assess your level, whether how you have understood, how your performance, everything will be assessed. Okay, hope sir explained very well about the introduction portion. As the time is much limited, quickly I will run off. Inshallah, next week, next Saturday, we will be starting our Wonders of Living World. Okay, ready to study? Yes or no? It's a very, very interesting chapter. Hope at the beginning, sir was telling mainly our science is composed of 3 main sections: biology, physics, chemistry. This Wonders of Living World is falling under the biology concept. It's very, very interesting. Once you enrolled into the lesson, you will know the interest of it. Okay, so inshallah next week we will log into our first lesson. Fine. If we see the maths, first of all, tell me how many of you like this maths subject? Raise your hand. There are some students who like maths and some don't like maths. Fine. Most of you are interested in maths. Fine. Okay. Half of the class is interested and half of the class is not interested. They hate the subject. There are many reasons for the students to like this subject as well as to hate this subject. If you understand the concept properly, okay, if there is a proper procedure, if you understand the procedure, the method to do the sums, it will be much interest. Okay, in case if you don't understand the procedure or else the method at the beginning, you will be having an idea in your mind, oh, I hate maths, I don't like, I can't understand anything. Like that, you itself will be putting an image on yourself. Okay, but our target is to take you through a good track in which you will be loving the maths. Even here only 32 participants raised your hand. Rest of the people, I think, don't like, isn't it? But inshallah, at the end of the session, entire crowd will be able to love this subject. Maths is one of the very, very easiest subject if you understand the techniques properly. So I think up to now, I was targeting the Colombo students up to now. Many Colombo students have got used from me, but now only I'm going to be introduced to the outstation. So even you people will be much benefited from me. Okay. So if we see the math subject, you people know mainly the mathematical, what are the mathematical operations present in maths? Main mathematical operations. Just like to hear your voice too.
Multiplication, subtraction, I am 2000 I am addition,
Subtraction, multiplication, division. Based on these 4 operations only, fine. Based on these main operations only, everything runs. If you understand the grade 6 concept properly, you will be able to cope with the grade 7. If you understand the grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, everything goes as a chain. Okay. So basic is the grade 6. If you see a book, if you may have siblings of grade 7, 8, if you compare your maths book and their maths book, sometimes the same topics will be there. Okay, the thing what they are enhancing each and every year is they are increasing the syllabus content. If you have a good approach in your pre-grades only, it will be easy for you all to move to the next year with success. Okay, so basics should be implemented first. Inshallah, I will put my full effort to put your basic well. Okay, everyone will be benefited well. So if we see the first term lesson, these are the lessons which are falling for the first term. There are 8 lessons to be studied. Okay, basically the first lesson is going to be the circles. It's coming under the shapes. You'll be studying well in this. Okay, we have put a proper plan with lots of exams in between. We will be done science. Most of the time you people should work. If we come to the science session, main part I should work. But in maths, it is opposite. If I put 40%, the rest of the things should be put by you all. Then only it will be easy for you all. Okay, so both me and you people should do well. So now we'll see the second term lessons. These are the lessons which are falling for the second term. There are 9 lessons in it. And in third term, there are 8 lessons. Okay, so overall there are 21, right? Lessons are there. Inshallah, within a proper plan, we will be able to finish everything. Okay, fine. So as explained, our classes will be on Saturday 8:30 to 9:30. Our science session will be held, and math session will be held from 10 to 11. On Saturday only it will be held. So both together you will be benefited by studying. So rest of the things will be continued by sir. Inshallah, next week we will meet in our theory classes. Thank you.
Okay, the grade 6 students, I hope you got the clear idea from Miss about the maths and our time schedule. Don't leave. At last, I will give you your timetable. So take that and you can leave it. Grade 7 students, I hope it is clear. The grade 7 students, the classes will be held on Saturday, 11 a.m. to 12:30. The fees is 800 per month. Okay, grade 7 science fees is 800 per month. It will be conducted by me. So in grade 6, you will be learning from Miss, and in grade 7 only, you will be coming to my classes. So the new grade 7s, you can start it off with my lessons. So in the grade 7 syllabus, okay, we have few lessons. That few lessons, the 15 lessons will be divided into Normally in school, they will divide 5, 5, 5. But I will divide first, we will try to do 6 lessons. Then another 6 lessons. And then at the last term, around 3 to 4 lessons will be remaining. Why is that? Because at the end, we have to have 2, 3 final exams. Okay, so I will finish early, finish up more chapters in the first term, and then second, and finally in the third term, we have our final exam. Okay, so after every unit, we will have some short exams. So totally 15 short exams and 3 main exams. So if you do all these things properly, I am sure that you can get the highest marks in your school. Okay. Sorry, the 19 lessons. 19 lessons are there. So for the 6 only we had grade 6 only we had 15. For this around 19 lessons we have 8. First we will be doing the first term. I have divided. Where is that now this is for the maths. That slide is missing. So anyways, okay, around 7 lessons will be covered in the first term. Okay, first term. After finishing the first term, we will be having our first term exam. So most probably by April, by this April, January, now today is January 1st, no, January, February, March, and in April, after 3.5 months, we will have our first main exam. Within that, I will give some small exam to assess your improvement. Okay, so if you do my plan properly with Miss Shuhaina and with me, if you all do the plan properly, I can guarantee if you do it properly, you can get the highest term test marks in your school. Normally, that's how our students are getting, but I want you all to improve day by day and get more and more marks. Okay, so the grade 7 maths will be taken by Miss. Okay, so that will be held on Sunday from 10:30 to 12. So the fees is 500. For the science, grade 7 fees is 800. For maths, it is 500. Okay, so Miss will be explaining. So tomorrow, we will be having a free session with Mix. Okay, so tomorrow, grade 7 math session, Mix will do it for free. And from next week, if you want, you can join by paying through the institute through the website. So if you want the link for tomorrow's class, send a message to my number, not 7782836666. You will get a free link for the maths class, first math session tomorrow. Okay, so you can send a message. And also, these are the units to be covered in the math session. So first term, Miss has divided into first term 9 units, second term 10 units, 11 units, and third term 8 units. So don't worry, in science we had only few, but in maths we have a lot. Don't worry, the maths lessons are short. So Miss will, in some lessons can be finished within 1 or 2 days. So Miss will finish about all those things. About the grade 8 and 9, about grade 8 and about grade 9, we had a seminar in the morning. I have already explained. I will send the recording to the grade 8 and 9 students. If there are any grade 8 and 9 students who miss the morning session, please send us a WhatsApp message. Then what are the benefits of these online classes? Why is this online class nowadays very important? Why is everyone going to online class? Because you can study from anywhere without missing any lesson. From foreign country, from Sri Lanka, out of Colombo, anywhere, you can study without missing any lesson. If you're not well, from home you can study. If you are admitted to hospital, even in the hospital you can study. That day when I was talking to a doctor, that doctor is telling there were some students who had got corona, but while they are in the hospital, they are going to online classes. So even if you're in the hospital, you can learn. Even if you're in a journey or a trip, or if there are some extracurricular activities, no problem. You will be able to continue the lesson. Because if it is a physical class, if you have any other things, you have to cut the class and go. You can't catch the class again. Okay, so online, the benefit is you can repeat the class, maybe through the recording or from anywhere you can come to the classes. And also this is safe because you're not traveling, you're not going out, you're only under the guidance and supervision of your parents. So parents can have an eye on the students, because if they go out of the house, we don't know what is happening. But in online classes, they are totally under you, so under your supervision. And also no travel cost or wastage of time due to traveling. Because I know some students, when I was doing physical classes from Tiharia, 2 hours they are traveling and coming to Colombo. And some students from Galle, they are traveling more than 2 hours and coming to my classes. So they have to travel 2 hours to come to class, then stay for the class, and when going home another 2 hours. So 4 hours they are spending in the bus. So now this is a great benefit for everyone without spending even 1 minute. Automatically through your online phone on device, through your mobile or your laptop, you can join the class. So no traveling cost and no traveling time wasted. Okay, both are saved. There are some girls, when they are coming to class, parents have to come, drop, and then go home back. And when the class finish, again they have to come and pick and go. So 4 times they have to spend for the 3-wheeler or trishaw. But now in online classes, no waste of that. And also it is safe, secure, and this will continue until your O level. So you don't have to fear, because some teachers in the middle, they will stop and start the physical. But even if I start the physical classes, we won't stop the online class. Our online journey through our website, it will be going on. And also, if you come to our classes, you can get the clear explanation of the theory. We are student friendly. Always we think about the student. If we feel that the students are very depressed, we will give them counseling, we will give them guidance. Because during Corona and all, we were giving a lot of free classes and guidance to the students, because the students were fully mentally upset because of the Corona and all those things. And also we will teach them some easy shortcut methods, how to learn easily, what are the memorizing methods, mind map methods, all that counseling sections are there in future. And also exam revision tips, quick revision, exam for each unit, PDF notes for each unit. And also in future, by February, we will be sending printed tutes to your home. That's why I'm telling you, put your home address properly in the website, then only the tute will come to your home. And also if we get Colombo district papers, we will be discussing that on the exams. So our main target is always O level. Grade 6 and 7, always basic. 8 and 9, a little bit advanced, and 10 and 11 is the main one for your O level. So step by step, I will be mainly targeting your O levels. Okay, so all the students, thank you for joining the session. So always target, now the grade 6 and 7 students, you have to target to get the highest marks in your school term test, especially for science and maths. The students who are coming to our science and our maths classes, we want them to be the highest in your school, okay, in your class, highest marks for that subject. Okay, mostly until now it's like that, and I want you all to continue that name, so that you are making your parents happy and your teachers happy. So if you get good results, who will be proud? Who will be happy? Your parents and your teachers. So to best gift to be given to the teachers and the parents is your good results, your good marks. Okay, that is the best gift you are giving your parents. So do that well and give it. So this is our final timetable. You can note it down. If there is any doubts, you can contact us. Okay, our website name is given in both the pictures. We have given it www.scienceacademycolombo.com. scienceacademycolombo.com. If you come to that website, you can register. After registering, you can see all the classes, and whatever classes you like, you can buy it and you can join it. Okay, you will get for your email also, the message will come. For your phone also, message will come. If you pay the money, it will come. Everything is secure, so you don't need to be scared about anything. So just one small thing I wanted to say: science grade 9, grade 8, grade 7, it will be conducted by me, Rihan Raheem Sir. Grade 6 science will be conducted by Miss Shuhaina. Grade 6, grade 7, grade 8 maths will be conducted by Miss Shuhaina, and grade 9 will be conducted by Arman Shalik Sir from Jayawardhanapura University. Okay, for bigger grades, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11, Arman Shalik Sir is only doing until the O levels. Grade 6, 7, 8 maths will be done by Miss Shuhaina, and grade 6 science also will be done by Miss Shuhaina. So I hope everything is clear. Whatever details you need, you can contact us anytime through WhatsApp message. We will reply whenever we are free. So I think from this seminar session, you got a lot of idea. You got more liking to study. What about the seminar? How was it? Did you get a good idea about the studies?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Would you like to join our online classes and continue the
Yes,
lessons?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Thank you for.
affiliate.
Okay, thank you. So if you have any more questions, please write down this phone number and keep. This is my phone number. Me or the institute, anyone will answer to any of your questions through WhatsApp. Okay, then students, thank you for joining the session. So hope to. Okay. Hope to meet you all tomorrow. Tomorrow we have grade 7 and 8 math session. If you all want the link, you all can send me the message. We will send the link. And grade 9, Arman Shah will be having a free seminar. You all can join that. Grade 6 students, we will meet next week. And science students, next Saturday, we will meet and start our main classes. Okay. Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to all of you all. Have a nice day, study well and join the online classes and achieve good results for your main term tests and also for your O-level results. Okay, thank you. Bye everyone. Yeah, the exam marks for the grade 7 students, it will be given in our first grade 7 theory class. That means next Saturday in the theory class, I will be saying the results. Okay, the gifts also in that day only I will get the address and I will send the gift in the next class. Okay, then thank you and have a nice day. If you need, take a screenshot of this timetable and keep it. It will be important. It will be useful for you.